Hey everyone, it's JT Ippolito for Sync Media Network. We're at the Azure Microsoft concert, conference, anything and everything to do for AI. So I'm going to just give you a quick look because we have a couple more conferences to go to. So I wanted you to see it's downtime because everybody's in the convention right now, but I'll give you a complete report later when this fills up a little bit. There's Silence, a great company. We're all trying to sneak in and get something to eat. Twilio. There you go. Microsoft is also showing off their other products too. Twilio is always a good one, connecting billions of people at all time. Oh, little plug. Century one is for management studio add-ons, and text control is a cloud platform for reporting for Microsoft. It's very, very small, so we're going to be in and out, but I just wanted to let you know what we saw. Saudis. Grape City, they're one of the big sponsors for spreadsheet solutions. OutSystems was kind enough to give us a pair of socks. So in reality, like I said, it's very, very small, but I wanted to give you a quick look. And there's a scale out of GUI management and query. So we're going to take off. We're on our way to the next convention. And I'll just show you the poster. Everything and anything with SQL Server. All right, we're out of here. Hello, friends everywhere. Make sure you follow us on Sync Media Network, SYNC Media Network on YouTube. There's over 1,100 videos by different listings. So we're on our way to our next conference. Make sure you follow us and share this and join on YouTube, and you'll get a notification whenever we go live. Back to you in the studio, Eileen. JT Ippolito for Sync Media Network.